Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to KIFS Crypto. Now, in today's video, we have a ton of updates. We're going to be looking at a major update with BlockDAG. It's going to answer a couple of questions people have been asking in the chat. And we've got some huge updates with regards how this channel is going to function moving forward. I'm going to be introducing our new schedule with regards live streams, our new Discord that's open, and something very special in there for our members. But first off, let's get straight into the first update with BlockDAG. So here we are, guys. Here's the BlockDAG website. Now, I have already done a review on this. If you want to check it out, there is a link in the description. But let me give you an overview of what BlockDAG is. If you are new to the channel and this is your first time watching this video, BlockDAG is inspired by Bitcoin and Casper. It is the world's most advanced Layer 1 blockchain, a cutting-edge proof-of-work algorithm that delivers industry-leading speeds, unbeatable security, and high decentralization. It is built for the future. BlockDAG can power everyday applications to enterprise-grade DeFi protocols. With the power to mine from anywhere, including on your phone, by the way, BlockDAG makes crypto mining simple for everyone. Now, as I said, when I put this video up first, a lot of people are asking about audits. And I'm happy to say that security audits are complete. The Holborn one has been fully completed, and the Certec one is ongoing. As you can see here, they've partnered with Holborn, a renowned security firm, to provide an independent assessment. Their review validated our internal findings and has helped fortify their security measures. Now, they're also got a Certec one. It's in progress. They're currently collaborating with these guys for an additional layer of security to future enhance the smart contract security. These are huge. These two companies alone are two of the best in the industry. And when you're passing audits with these guys, you're definitely on the right track. Now, you'll also see another update. If you use the code BDAG800, you'll now get a 400% bonus. And I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video. But this is what is got everybody talking. $198 million has been raised. It's insane. It's absolutely crazy the amount of money that's been raised with this project. The hype on this is nuts. And the sale is still going on, so you still have an opportunity to get involved. And as I said, you get up to 400% back if you do get involved. So it's very easy to get involved. You just need to connect your wallet via MetaMask, a Rabbi, whatever you like to use. And when you do that, you'll get connected to this. This is the back end, and you'll see all the top 30 holders here. Some of these holders are huge, over 3.6 million with the top holder. And I'm going to show you how to buy this now. So there's a wide range of options here in terms of if you want to use BNB, USDT, ETH, and we're going to go over here and select USDT, BSC, Binance Smart Chain. And we're going to put in there $100. Oops. Now, make sure you copy this code here, the BDAG800, pop it in here. You don't want to be missing out on your bonuses. Click on apply. As you see, it says active. Now we're going to buy $100 worth. So while we're waiting for that to go through, I have one other major announcement to tell you about in terms of BlockDAG. They're doing something called the 10 secs listing. Now, I think you can figure out what that means by yourself. It's going to be, this thing is going to hit the exchanges bang. There's going to be 10 secs listings all in one go. And now the only thing is here, how many of those are going to be tier ones? Because they have raised so much money, listing fees are not going to be a problem for these guys. So as you can see, the payment has gone through. Now we just need to put in our name here. Click on submit. And we're done. And that's it. The back end here is where you also find your affiliate program, achievements, latest dev releases, and all your transactions are down here. So that is BlockDAG, guys. 3 major announcements. First off, those audits, passing the first one with Holborn. Certic one is going through as we speak. Don't forget to grab your 400% bonuses. Use that code BDAG800 and that 10 sex listing, which is going to be absolutely insane. Once this thing launches, people are going to lose their minds. Their community is hugely active on Twitter and on Telegram. Head over and check them out. All the links to this project are in the description. Let me know in the comments box what you think. Surely these audits are really going to increase the hype and positivity with this project. Right, so I've got some other updates I want to tell you guys about. First off, we're going to be doing some live streams. Might start tomorrow, but definitely will be having them up next week. And I don't know if they're going to be daily, but they're going to be very regular. They're going to be based around the latest news, market updates and price action, and the latest signals which are fired into our Discord. And I'll explain a little bit more about that in a second. And we're going to wrap it up then by taking a look at your coins. So to follow up on that, we have created a Discord. Link is in the description. It's brand new. It's all surrounding trading and bringing all types of traders together from all different backgrounds, whether you're experienced or you're just starting off. This Discord server is for you. And as you can see in this area here, you got your announcements, your signals, scalpel signals, market analysis, and swing signals. Now, this is very important. So these are regularly updated signals that come in courtesy of the BYDFI signal bot. So we just put this together and you can see we already have a signal popped in here. This is ARC Sol. As you can see, it gives you a buy target and a stop loss target. Your sell targets are up to yourself. Gives a little bit of background. ARC performed very strongly over the last few days. So if it drops, you should consider taking a light position at these levels. As you can see, it's very well presented. Gives you the reasoning behind. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be looking at these signals and we're going to be shooting over to the BYDFI site. Now, we're going to be doing these on demo accounts. We're not going to be doing these on our own accounts. We want everybody to just analyze the signals as they come in. And we're going to test them out over the coming weeks. We're also going to be looking at different setups on TradingView. And this is where we're going to give you the opportunity to have a look at your favorite tokens. So guys, that wraps up today's video. A lot of updates, huge updates with BlockDAG. I would think the updates to the channel and what we're going to be doing over the next weeks, months, maybe even years. Pretty important, pretty significant. Can't wait to get started on those live streams, to be honest with you. And I really hope that you guys will join me for that. Don't forget to head over to our Discord. Love to see you guys over there. Let's get chatting, see what your ideas are in terms of where the market is now. I'm very interested to see how those signals are going to work out. I've heard some very good things about them. So it'll be interesting to see where we are once we start using that demo account. So about this for today, guys. Let me know in the comments box what you think about these updates. Love to get your feedback on what we're going to be doing with the channel. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.